Hey girls, this little birdie flew in my garage and Jimmy shut the door. He was fine flying around, but then he tried to fly into the window and knocked himself out for just a few minutes. So anyway, I think he's recuperating now. I'm gonna let him go. So I just wanted to show you the little bird. Let's see. You want on the window? You want outside? Hold on, bud. Hold on. Seriously? Did you just pee on me? Ew. Gross. There you go. Yeah, I think you pooped on me. You wanna go? You wanna go find your buddy? You can take off or what? Pretty little bird. I guess you know I have no intentions of hurting you, huh? You wanna go fly? My puppy's wanting my attention. Are you gonna go fly? Go find your sibling? You look like you want to go to sleep. Well, What's it gonna take you to go fly? Huh? Do you want on the bushes? Hmm? Do you want on the bushes? You just don't seem like you want to go anywhere. You're very calm. Do you want me to set you on the bush? Huh? It's okay. Do you want on the bush? Well, I have to get going. You hear that? That means the hub says it's time to go. Means I gotta let you go. You want on the branch? Huh? Want on the branch? There you go. I guess he scared you, huh? Bye-bye.